Yo, what is going on? Yokai Rios here. Today I'm showing you guys another reacting video. We are gonna be reacting to Rainy Days. Haven't heard the song. Hopefully it'll be as good as Love Me Again, which if you guys haven't seen that video, definitely do that. It's my most recent one. But also like and subscribe if you enjoy. So yeah, let's get right to it. Hey, don't look at me like that. I'll catch feelings. Cozy and stuck.
Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wishing how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days, like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wishing how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days, like staring at my phone, I gauge.
Oh, like how I did that little V thing there with the birds. This place definitely looks cozy to me.
It was so amazing. Haven't changed, it's still the same. 늦었지만 우리 다시. Can we go back to the moment again? Yeah, rainy days. I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wishing how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days, like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wishing how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days, like.
Is Puppy there with him? That's why he's smiling. A little cute puppy.
Remember how I used to make you love the most. 내가 이런 말할 자격 없어도 Let me make up for all the time we lost. We can start again.
We love an artistic man.
We can start it over.
Can't even speak, I'm lost.
Yeah, I can feel your touch. I remember your kiss. 그 말은 아팠지 and I miss
Is that
you.
bread? Is he using bread?
Days, I'm thinking about you. What to say?
Alright.
Wishing how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days, like rainy days, I'm thinking about you.
The perfect
What
face.
to say? Wishing how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days, like.
This puppy. What the heck? Okay. Definitely a super cozy, relaxing song. I love the switch up, like this part right here.
How I used to make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말할 자격 없어도 Let me make up for all the time we lost.
I like that part a lot. I think that was my favorite part. This whole part right here is my favorite. Anyways, it was a great video. Please again let me know what you guys want me to react to. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. But I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.